number.
Okay. If you want to use the powers to take my details, then I'll give them. But
you can clearly see my name.
Okay.
What my colleague is talking about is there is legislation that pertains to filming a police station.
No, there isn't.
There is.
No. Good look. Good try. Let me ask you, did you call backup because I'm recording? No. Actually, you're a public servant. You're supposed to answer questions. It does work like that.
Postal inspector. We have the, for news and advertisement purposes, we have the right to film in their lobby.
This London audit of Brixton Police Station is a textbook case of police intimidation versus constitutional knowledge. When an officer attempts to illegally shut down filming from the public sidewalk, the auditor fights back, challenging the officer's ignorance of the law. The situation escalates when police threaten to deploy the infamous Terrorism Act 2000 just to force the journalist to leave. Do the police have the right to demand your identity or stop a peaceful citizen's camera?
I'm just filming.
Filming what?
Well, at the moment, you.
Yeah, but you're not actually allowed to film the
Are you
police
sure?
station, yes.
You sure?
I'm pretty
You're
sure.
not surrounding me?
Actually, no, we're not surrounding
Am I not filming on public land?
Actually, you can't.
I am, so I think you're incorrect, miss. May I get your collar number, please? May I get your collar number, please? Can you please identify yourself, or I'm not going to continue talking to me? Can you please identify? Yeah, I'm recording, mate. What's the problem?
Yeah, you are. There is no problem.
All right, so why are you approaching me like that, then, mate? Can you identify yourself?
We're going into our
Crack on, then, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The problem where it is, right, is you're outside.
Right, that's your problem. That's not my problem.
Yeah, no, but we can make it your problem.
All right, then make it my problem, then.
You've got hostile reconnaissance.
Okay, hostile reconnaissance. That old chestnut, yeah? All right, then. Carry on. Miss, I'm not going to talk to you unless you identify yourself.
You can see.
All right,
well,
so name, station, rank, none of that, no?
Don't need to.
Don't need to, no?
No, I don't actually.
Under what legislation is that?
You tell me, mate, if you're asking it.
I don't know. I might not know. I might not know.
Legislation on that. You can see.
No, you can actually not identify your name under a certain legislation, but that's not.
Detaining you for a search.
No one's talking about detaining, mate. Can I get your collar number, please?
Yeah.
What are you trying to hide? What are you trying to hide? What, because you don't know the law?
I don't need to hide from you, but I want to
All right,
know.
thank you, sir. That's how you do it, yeah? I can't see it. Look. Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding? 2879, right? Bet.
Right, so it's hostile reconnaissance.
It's not hostile reconnaissance,
Yeah,
mate.
it is.
It's not hostile reconnaissance, mate. Don't talk nonsense, mate.
We can arrest you for terrorism.
All right, then. Go on, then.
Right.
Go on, then.
But I don't want to
Go on, do it, mate. It's unlawful, mate. Do it.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing's up, mate. I'm just exercising my right to film in public.
That's fine.
All right, just a bit of background, yeah? All right. So Terrorism Act 2000, yeah, that was brought in as a response to what? Militia groups, Al-Qaeda, leading up to the 9/11 bombings here. So the timing's a bit convenient. So that act was brought into place to fight terrorism.
An officer uses the threat of the Terrorism Act 2000, Section 43, stop and search, to demand details. The auditor instantly counters by stating this power is for fighting terrorism, not for stopping a camera, and that using it unlawfully would make the officers liable. This strategic defiance forces the officers to back down from the search.
You can absolutely.
And she needs to know the laws because she's saying that I can't film, and really I can.
No, look, that's absolutely fine. You can film. You
Okay.
can film whatever you want to do.
Excellent.
It's a public place.
So you could learn from this guy.
The only thing that we're talking about is we're saying we've shown you asked for our shoulder number.
I'm not going to identify myself, mate.
Well, I'm clearly showing you my shoulder number.
Okay. If you want to use the powers to take my details, then I'll give them. But
you can clearly see my name.
Okay.
What my colleague is talking about is there is legislation that pertains to filming a police station.
No, there isn't.
There is.
You need to have reasonable grounds of suspicion that I'm about to engage in terrorist activity, or I'm planning to engage in terrorist activity.
What we're talking about is in relation to
So if you want to ascertain that information, then you can crack on, but I don't think you'll find anything.
No.
Do you really think a terrorist would be outside filming a police station in this public space like that? It may be a more covert operation.
Exactly. That's why we're having to talk to you about it, aren't we?
And when has a police station ever been attacked by a terrorist?
So no, but why?
Mate, you've changed your tone a bit, mate, haven't you?
No.
You've changed your tone a bit. Yeah, you have. Yeah, you have. You were saying we.
I asked you the question. You don't want to turn around and say you can.
This is why I'm doing it, mate. I'm testing you, aren't I?
Yeah.
I know.
Hey, now you do.
I don't really want to give you the time of day to be.
All right, then. You jog on, then, innit?
Are you having a good day? Anyway.
I'm having an excellent day.
What are you up to today?
This is what I'm up to.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okie
It's a bit
dokie.
of a shame. It's a bit of a shame the weather's the way it is.
It is a bit of a shame, yeah.
Podcast.
Is this how you entice me to giving over my details?
We're not giving you anything. We're probably going to go now.
All right, crack on then. All right, crack on.
All right.
Thank you, officer. You've been very polite, very civil. You seem to know a little bit of what you're talking about. I hope you've learned something today.
No, it's not. No?
No. Because this will be on YouTube later.
Cool. Well,
So everyone will see you in a positive light. Her, not so much. You've changed your ways a little bit, so.
I've changed my ways.
Because at first you were talking about arresting me under terrorist legislation.
No, I was merely
then I educated you,
that
and
you can.
all right,
Educated me.
okay.
Thank you so much for that.
You're most welcome.
Yeah, he was
You should. Can you recruit me? Look, it says that you're recruiting new people, so maybe I can come in and give a few seminars and that.
Yeah, you have to go through like it's quite long. It literally takes
Yeah?
a year to go through. Yeah.
Okay. All right then. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.
No problem. Cool. Right. You going?
Stand by.
Oh, here we go. So I'll give him an 8, 6, and 4 based on what I've seen.
There is a rate your PC thing you can actually do.
No, I'm not interested in doing that. Who reviews it? Who polices the police?
There's an independent.
Who actually consolidates what you do? Yeah, IPCC, whatever. But who runs that police? So there's no point in doing any of that.
They're independent.
No, they're independent. That's why they're called the IOPC.
Oh, okay. But I don't need to make a complaint about anything really.
No.
If you unlawfully arrest me, then or search me, then I'll try you in a civil court, mate. I'm not making no complaints in it. We'll just go to court. It's not an issue.
Exactly.
We're not going to be unlawfully arrested.
Exactly.
All right, good. Well,
So that's why we're having a conversation with you. And
I'm just letting you know. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's not in your best interest to do that. I don't care if you do, because you're not going to find anything anyway. I'm not stupid enough to have drugs or anything like that on me outside a police station, right? So, you know, if I was a terrorist, I definitely wouldn't be out here doing this in a public space.
So,
but I live in this country. I love this country.
lovely.
I'm not going to attack this
you live
country.
around here locally?
I don't know.
No. So how come you're down in Brixton then?
Just going to hit a few police stations and do this basically.
Oh right, okay.
Is the truth. I've been honest. I've been completely honest the whole time.
Why?
Just to film what? Just to film outside?
Yeah, I'm just trying to catch like tyrants and people trying to abuse section 43 of the Terrorist Act. So I'm happy that you haven't done that today.
So,
I'm
so
an independent
you're just going
journalist.
around from police station to
Yeah,
police
that's it.
station
Yeah,
to
yeah.
See if you can get yourself arrested.
Yeah. Well, no, I don't want to. I don't want to get arrested. I'm not.
Why?
'Cause I'm not committing a crime technically. I'm
No,
operating within the boundaries of the law.
That, but why?
I've explained why, sir.
I know. But
Really?
It's called auditing. I'll let you. I'll give you my channel name. You can search it up.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What's your channel, bud?
We can take down those details. That's all right.
Yeah, yeah. So it is Kilo
Hold on.
Yep.
Omega. No, sorry, one O. So Kilo.
Start again.
So Kilo.
Yeah. Are we talking phonetics here, or is it
Phonetics.
actually
Yeah, if
kilo?
I can remember them all. Yeah.
Yep. All right.
Kilo.
So
You
Kilo.
can talk to me normally. You can say
K.
a K.
All right.
It could be
K-O-L-E-E.
K-O-L-E-E.
Yeah, E for Echo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
B Bravo Echo Romeo Kilo
B, Bravo.
Sierra.
So B. E.
Mate, just listen to what I'm saying.
No, we're not doing.
We're trying to.
B Echo.
So K-O-L-E-E.
So K-O.
Nah, slow down.
K-O-L-E-E. B-E. K-O-L-E-E.
Yeah, yeah. R-K-S.
So he's already told us.
R-K-S.
Yeah,
He's literally
that's my
going
channel
around
name. So
with
make sure you
the
check it out. Make sure you subscribe.
What channel is
You're still not going to identify yourself, miss?
So is that on YouTube?
It's on YouTube, yeah. And this will be going on there too.
it? Hello, sir. You all right? I never got all that down, mate.
So
So,
it's K-O-L-E-E.
K-O-K-O-L.
Yeah, got it. B-E-R-K-S.
and is that your YouTube channel?
That's the YouTube channel.
This will be on there, maybe not tonight, but tomorrow. You need to check out the video I posted yesterday. It was about a guy filming outside a police base, a police headquarters, and they've literally used... I'm not going to give you my name.
Actually, we can't ask you.
All right then. All right, and I can refuse my name.
Listen, but why are you actually filming? For what reason? I just sound
So
like
I'm not going. I'm not doing this again.
Gentlemen's just...
Can you identify yourself, please?
Kennedy.
Excuse me, sir. Can you identify yourself, please?
Huh?
Okay, would you mind identifying yourself, please?
My name's there.
All right, and your collar number?
Show number's there.
Show
Any
number's there.
particular reason? Is it this close?
Slow down,
So
mate.
he's standing outside taking pictures, trying to get arrested by police.
First thing first.
All right, mate. Can you keep the social distance?
A second officer, failing to find a legal justification, attempts to issue a dispersal order under Section 35 of the Anti-Social Behavior Act, demanding the auditor leave the public ground. The auditor immediately challenges the order, asking, "What antisocial behavior have I used?" exposing the arbitrary nature of the officer's command.
You need to leave. You are dispersed.
What
Please leave.
antisocial behaviour have I used?
What antisocial
Am I not in
behaviour?
public? Am I not in public ground? This is public ground, mate. Alright, nick me under section 35 then.
What are you doing?
Alright, nick me under section
What are you
35
doing
then.
here?
Bro, don't be making threats and that if
I'm
you're not
not
going to go
making
through
threats,
it.
but what are you doing
Use
here?
that section 35 power that you've got.
What are you doing here?
I'm filming in public. Look at all this.
You're filming in public. What are you doing?
Can you stop surrounding me, please?
What are you doing here?
Hold on. What's all this? What's this? Am I being detained? Am I being detained?
You're detained under section
Alright.
1 page. The reason you are detained.
This audit is an international victory for citizens' rights. The auditor maintained his ground, refused to be intimidated, and successfully educated multiple officers on the limits of their power. The police were forced to admit that filming a police station from a public place is legal and ultimately back down from all illegal threats, search, dispersal, and arrest. The final outcome is documented evidence of officers attempting to silence a journalist through unlawful commands. Central Falls Police is recording a crime, or are you just afraid of transparency? Watch as an independent journalist attempts to film a routine traffic stop when multiple officers swarm him, illegally ordering him to move along. The auditor instantly refuses, asserting his First Amendment rights as press and challenging the police's right to violate the Constitution. The confrontation escalates as police use false legal claims and veiled threats to force the auditor's compliance. Will these officers succeed in silencing their critic, or will the auditor's legal knowledge cost the department a massive lawsuit?
Still got the record button. The second one's for me. How's it going? Why so many police? I don't answer questions. I can ask questions. I can ask questions, but I don't have to answer. Technically, you work for me. Good yourself?
Good. Are you with him?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions? All right, then you...
The officer issues an unlawful order to move along, please. The auditor instantly refuses, asserts his right to be in public, and correctly calls out the violation, stating, "I have the right to film. I'm acting as press right now, so you can't tell the press to leave." He challenges the police to take the matter to court, confirming the order is baseless.
Like 10 feet this way.
Am I impeding in it?
I'm asking you nicely, sir. This immediate area.
Well, I'm going to refuse.
Based on the circumstances.
I refuse.
So at this point, do you have any identification that says you're part of the media?
I don't have to answer any questions.
You don't? All right, so can you keep please moving along, okay?
Acting as press.
No? Acting as press.
Well, it is my right as,
So acting...
according to the First Amendment, it says freedom of press. No, I don't have to show you anything. No. Oh, I know it very well.
Acting as...
I know it very well.
I'm actually showing that proof, okay?
I know it very well.
I can come up to you and act like a police officer, okay? But actually showing credentials is totally different.
Well, you know that we have freedom of speech in this country, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, end of story.
Absolutely.
End of story.
Absolutely, it doesn't cover that, nobody, okay? At this point, you're obstructing the sidewalk in which people need to be...
Actually, you are too, because you're standing
I'm
there.
actually doing a car stop.
No, you're talking to me right now, because you're not stopping any car. You're talking to me right now.
I'm doing a car stop.
No, you're talking to me right now. No.
Actually, you want this car stop. I don't know who you are.
I don't know who you are. What's your name, Beth? I got you 33, 36, 34. What's your name, please?
So,
like I said, as of right now.
No, I need to know your name. According to the law, you're supposed to provide your name and badge number. Please.
Go study it some more.
No, you can go to the station, you can get our information.
That'd be very easy to do.
There you go.
Okay.
Go to the station. Okay?
Are you part of the stuff?
No, he's not.
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so that's fine. You can record all you want.
Thank you.
Keep asking. Keep moving it back, please. I don't know who you are.
I'm not intruding. I'm not interfering. No. Your safety. You're the one that has a gun right now, and you're going to tell me for my safety?
The officer uses the pretext of my safety and your safety to justify the distance demand. The auditor instantly counters the absurdity, pointing out that the officer is armed. You're the one that has a gun right now. Don't tell me it's for safety because that's a threat in my opinion. This exchange highlights the officer's desperation to find any justification for silencing the camera.
And if you did give me a lawful order, this will go to court. I don't have to give you anything.
All right, so how do I know who you are?
You don't have to know who I am. I'm not interfering.
You're not. Clearly you're not.
No, and you're not in the traffic stop right now. You're talking to me, so don't tell me. No, you're not. No, you're not, though. You're not. No, you're not. No. Good look. Good try. Let me ask you, did you call backup because I'm recording?
Hey, I don't answer questions.
Actually, you're a public servant. You're supposed to answer questions. It does work like that. Do you have nothing better to do?
I'm working.
Clearly, this is just a traffic stop.
I'm getting paid to do this, okay?
Is there something really bad going on right now?
None of your business.
So you have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 cop cars, guns. You guys got guns and tasers and all these different things, and you're gonna tell me to leave? No, I'm not over my head. I'm not over my head. No, I'm not. I'm not have to move. You're not gonna intrude on me. You're not gonna walk through my path.
That's fine. Through your path. This is city property, buddy.
You cannot do that. You cannot. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. I would be filing a complaint against you, Rodriguez 33.
Thank you.
Do not.
Have a good
Do
day.
not put your hand in my face.
Thank you.
Don't put your hand in your face. I can walk this way if I want to. I can walk this way if I want to, and I will. I will walk this way. I will walk backwards and still record you too. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep recording. I have the right to be here as anybody else.
Immediate area, sir.
Is that a lawful order?
It is, sir.
It's a lawful order?
It is.
It's a false lawful order, and I will be seeing you 36 in court.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand the First Amendment? Do you understand the First Amendment? Do you swore an oath to the Constitution? Did you to get your office?
Yes.
You're violating your oath of office right now. Oath of, no, I don't have to go. I don't have to go anywhere. I can keep walking back and forth. I'm recording this.
Listen, it's not going to help you out at all, all right? Okay?
You're recording too?
No one cares that you're
Are you recording
I
too?
could be if I want to. I'm free to record as much as you are. So
I asked you if you were.
Doesn't matter. I don't have to answer any of your questions that you said, okay?
Yeah, you don't have to answer anything to my questions, but you're trying to violate my rights right
I'm
now.
not violating your rights. This is city property, pal, okay? When it's your property, it's a different story. Please, okay?
Actually, it is my property.
No, it's not.
I pay for these
No,
streets.
no.
I pay for your salary. I pay for you to be here right now and harass me.
I pay for
Apparently.
I pay for my own salary, too, okay?
No. I pay for your salary.
Okay, I'm sure you do.
Yeah, you're a public servant.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, no, it's not a dispute. It's not a dispute. Yeah. You guys need to learn your jobs a little bit better. Learn your jobs. Learn your jobs.
Buddy, go do something better. You have nothing better.
You could do something better. I'm sure there's plenty of criminals out there that have done violent crimes, but yet you're pulling someone over because he maybe has out-of-state plates or something. Come on. It's a little ridiculous.
Don't worry about it. It has nothing to do with it.
I am worried about him because I pay your salary and you're just harassing somebody right now and you're harassing me. So I'm even more concerned.
Keep moving.
Keep it going. You keep going. Go ahead, keep going. Make it worse.
There's a difference. I'm getting paid for this. I don't know about you. Okay?
I don't have to get paid for this. I'm doing a duty for the citizens of America when you guys do this. Yep, you know it. I think it's absolutely ridiculous. There's 3 of you here and there's 2 there. Now there's 4 here. That's unbelievable.
We get to be wherever we want.
This guy's out of his mind.
No, I'm not. Bye. What's your name and badge number, please? No, name and badge number, please.
If you can read it,
Where is
you
it?
can have it.
Where is it?
Exactly.
No, actually, you have to tell me according to the law.
Go to the police station.
No, what's your name and badge number? One of you can identify him for me.
No, sir.
You think that's bullshit? You think it's okay for you to use that word right now? You're supposed to be professional? I don't have to tell you anything. I don't tell you anything. I don't tell you anything. I'm going to walk over here.
Good. Have a good day.
I'm going to record the stop like I came here to do.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, they're all buddy up here now, right? You're welcome, guys. Have a good day, guys. 36, 34, 33, and what's the other guy? What's his name right there? And his number? He won't reveal it.
Go to the station
I don't
like
remember.
He told you to.
I'm not responsible.
You know his name. You know his name.
Go to the station like he told you to, all right?
All right.
And bring that recording. Go show it to whoever you want.
Oh, I will.
It's all good.
It's going right online.
Good.
You're welcome.
Homeboy asked me, I explained to Joe, I explained to homeboy, I explained to him. I said, Joe, what's your issue? And I explained it to him. I said, Joe, he's pro-rights.
That's right.
As I said in front of you, he's pro-rights.
Yep.
He knows what he
And
can
if that's
do.
a crime,
He knows
then
what he can't do. He knows as long
we
as
lost
he
our
doesn't
country.
interfere with you guys' duty, he can be here doing whatever he wants. That's why he's there. That's why he didn't go away. You know what I'm saying? That's why all they do when you approach them, say that don't touch me. Because as long as you don't put your hands on them for no without, you know. You guys,
I
you
don't
went
know
to
what I'm talking about.
That's what I
I don't
said.
stop anybody else from doing it either.
That's what I said. You guys,
Mind
you
my
told
own business. I keep it moving. That's what I do.
Yeah, but you don't have the right to do that because these are my streets. I don't have to. No,
You're totally
it
irrelevant.
doesn't. No, you're irrelevant to me. How you like that? Yeah, man. Good luck. Check us out. Check out that car.
Just don't get yourself jammed.
No, I know what to do. Yeah, because they work for me.
Yeah, I'm sure I do.
I'm out of here. You guys can leave. I'm out of here.
You gotta stay here till midnight, bro.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, it's not nice. It's called work.
Oh, that's great. That's cool. I'm gonna go this way, actually. Excuse
I
me.
can't imagine having this much free time on my hands.
Oh, I work full time. I do. Yeah, but you guys work for us, and apparently you don't do anything really
Have
important.
a good day, sir.
Protect and serve.
I'll see you around later.
Well, you really didn't. You really didn't. Because 3 were talking to me and 2 were at that car, so you guys did not do anything. Yeah, and you only let him free because I was here, and I helped him. Thank you very much, guys.
Catch us at the next stop.
Maybe. Small town.
This audit is a textbook victory for the First Amendment. Despite being surrounded by 4 officers who issued multiple unlawful orders, leave, show ID, the auditor stood his ground, refused all compliance, and ultimately forced the officers to leave without an arrest or citation. Crucially, the driver involved in the initial stop was released because the police were unable to focus on the traffic offense while being scrutinized. The result is clear evidence of police harassment and an abuse of authority on public property. Henderson Post Office. Is this a federal facility or a private club? An auditor filming in the lobby is met with instant hostility from a supervisor who claims the camera is disrupting business and threatens the auditor with jail for an alleged crime that doesn't exist. The official claims the mere presence of a camera is causing a problem. Watch as the auditor destroys the feelings police argument and forces the entire department to justify why citizens cannot film their taxpayer-funded work. Did the post office pass the audit, or did the officer fail the Constitution?
Batch number, please.
It's Roos and it's 2502.
Thank you so much. So,
What's going on, man?
we're working on a video for news purposes. We've been over here already over 30 minutes. Kevin over here, he's almost my friend right now, bro. He did call the police on me, but you know, we even sang here together before you got here. So, Poster 7, authorized by the Postmaster, is the rules and regulations from the post office. I've already contacted the postal inspector. We have the, for news and advertisement purposes, we have the right to film in their lobby. He doesn't have a problem with us filming, but kind of wanted me to step back a little bit further from where I was at.
Where were you exactly?
Well, I wasn't. Well, I was close to the counter, but I'm not in. I wasn't in an exact position where I was not interfering with their business whatsoever or getting anyone's information, because I wouldn't do that. So I care about people's privacy. But we're in a public place, and I'm authorized already by the Postmaster and by
in a stall where somebody's conducting business?
But that one was closed.
Okay.
So I would never, like, you know, interfere with the business here, but I'm expecting that no one interferes with my business. He doesn't have a problem with me filming. He's a cool guy. I'm a cool guy. There's no disturbance here. I know that you have jurisdiction to come here if there's an immediate threat, but I've already called the postal inspector. Yeah. That's the police for here. I know you can come here. If there's a guy fighting, grab him, move him out. but the post inspector is the one that's supposed to be here. Not to be disrespectful in any way to you, but technically you guys don't have jurisdiction in this property unless there's an immediate threat. So
we can handle business too. Do you mind if I talk to Kevin inside? I come back out and talk to you.
I mean, Kevin, do you have a problem speaking right here?
I'd rather talk to him privately.
Okay. Number, please.
Yeah, officer case 3032.
The call is about me, so
Okay.
we could just chill. He's already talking to the other party.
Okay, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. So I was just explaining to the other officer that we have authorization to be here from the postmaster.
Is that what he's verifying right now?
Well, I hope so. I told him it's on poster 7. It's right there on the wall. Not only we already called in. I've contacted the postal inspector.
Okay.
They are the police here. So if that's not an immediate threat or anything, like, all due respect, you guys don't have to. You don't conduct this investigation. This is for the postal police.
Okay.
So
sit tight for me. Let me talk to my partner and see what's going on.
all right. You know what the Third Amendment is?
Not off the top of my head.
It's no quartering of soldiers in people's houses. We go randomly asking police officers about the Constitution. We're bringing awareness on our freedom of the press, which is the First Amendment. We have the right to exercise our First Amendment right. Right here, I believe, poster 7. Oh, look, if you don't mind, this is the policies right here per the postmaster.
Okay.
It has a whole section for photographs. I know it by heart. So, photographs. Okay, so we have a whole section right here for photographs that says photographs for news purposes may be taken in entrances, lobbies, foyers, corridors, or auditoriums when used for public use.
Issues come down when you're in here. Now, they got a business to conduct and all that good stuff. You guys can be in there, but you can't disrupt the flow of traffic.
But we never did that.
I'm back there, I'm watching video, and you're hovering over the passport counter over
But that doesn't mean I was interfering at all with the business.
Well, the identity and the sensitive objects.
I can guarantee you, sir, I deal with these situations all the time, on a daily.
So let's do this. Let's rule out what he's saying. Let's play back the video and show me when you were over there.
I can show you right now where I was at. You saw, but you saw where I was at. If you say you.
The supervisor threatens the auditor, stating, "You're disrupting business," and that this is considered a crime. The auditor exposes the lie by demanding the specific statute. What's the crime? That's interfering with the business. What crime is that? This forces the supervisor to back down, proving the threat was purely intimidation.
Let me advise you something. Okay. I'm willing to go to jail for
I know you're willing to go to jail.
And I will bond myself out right away, sir. But what I'm telling you is that you have to be careful what words you use when you're talking about a crime.
I'm not telling you anything about a crime.
Yes,
I never said you committed a crime.
You said I was.
I'm saying you're disrupting the flow of business.
And that's considered a crime here. No one can come here and do that.
What's the crime?
That's interfering with the business.
What crime is that?
If I interfere in any way
What crime is that? What's the NRS on
Why
it?
are you trying to be like this, sir? You got to
disorderly conduct
and act professional.
Disorderly. Well, this is federal facility. You don't even have jurisdiction right here to tell me anything. So where's the postal police? No, because I'm not breaking the law.
Okay.
So you said I'm not breaking the law.
Correct.
Correct. So don't tell me anything.
Okay, I'm telling you what he's telling me.
It doesn't matter what he's telling you. He needs to wait for the postal police because I've already talked to them. Okay. So you don't try to threaten me with the whole thing.
I'm trying to find a justifiable reason for you guys to actually coexist here with no issues, so we don't have to.
I don't want no issues. I don't need to speak to anyone. I came here quietly, filming, and if they want to engage us, and then when we answer back, they don't like what we say. Like, leave the camera alone. They've been informed. You guys received a memo from the United States.
They all received the memo.
Exactly. Look, here, so, what do they do with it?
Let me tell one thing. I'm going to get out of here.
They step on it.
So don't disrupt the flow of traffic.
No, I never did anything like that.
Be close to the cubicles where other people are.
I could get close to the cubicles. Absolutely. You see how many? What am I supposed to do? Go in between all these people right here? Look how everybody's piled up in there, bro. You can't expect people to have the open floor, bro. There's 1 million people in there that barely fit.
Yeah,
so.
Come here.
So if I go, I know that I'm not going to. I know that I'm not going to interfere.
So what's reasonable for you to get? How close would you get to that person in the blue right there?
Can I give you an example?
Yeah, let's go over there.
If if this is close.
No, I want to walk up to him. Show me what's reasonable.
So if this is close, I could be right here. I could be right here doing this. That's what I was doing. I'm not getting their information because that's against my policy.
Your policy.
Exactly.
What policy would you go back?
Well, I don't own these social media platforms, so we can't just put people's information there. That cancels our show. We've been doing this for almost a decade because we follow the law. If we broke the law, we wouldn't be so successful at what we do. So
If you were conducting business up here, and I see that you zoomed in on her, but you might zoom in on his information, would you?
An officer attempts to shut down the audit by appealing to emotions, asking, would you feel comfortable? Because you just wouldn't. I'm asking, would you feel comfortable? The auditor destroys this argument by asking, are you the feelings police? The auditor correctly asserts that the law, not personal feelings, governs his actions.
Feelings in consideration.
Look, I'm asking a personal question. You can walk away anytime. I'm not detaining you. I'm not doing
I understand.
anything.
I understand.
So I'm asking you personal questions. So I'm asking, how comfortable would you be if somebody's standing behind you or next to you?
Well, I never did that. I never stood behind anyone. I stood.
Like, do you like being in a crowded elevator?
Well, it depends. If it's full of women.
Be right up here on you.
I would.
I'm just asking.
I've had that happen. Obviously, it doesn't feel good.
My personal space.
But the thing is that there's a difference because you have a gun, so I only have a camera.
Okay,
so
you could be concealing too.
But I wouldn't do that here because this is federal facility. So it's like right now you're the only one breaking the law here.
No.
Yes, because there's no possession of a firearm
but
in this facility. No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Unless there's a crime being committed.
No.
Yes, you're not supposed to come in here with a firearm. This is a federal
You
facility.
want to come back out here and talk?
Sure. So we can agree that me being right here, I'm not interfering, correct?
It's not interfering.
Okay, so that's all I did. Oh, hi, how you doing, ma'am? We saw her at the city hall, and she didn't want. Correct, because she's a federal employee. Oh, she's FBI, so she can't be filmed. That's what she said over there. It's okay. It's okay, ma'am. Much respect and love to you.
You're still filming.
Yes, and thousands are watching.
Stepping out with us over here?
Sure, I'll be there in a minute.
Yes, thank you.
You take care, ma'am. Much love and respect. We love you.
God bless you.
God bless you too. Awesome. So respect goes both ways, Kevin. We know that we stood here for 30 minutes talking to the police. I know you didn't go back there and show your true colors, lying to them in any way, because not only they're filming, are we being filmed?
Yes.
Is that like your official body cam?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, it looks like a cell phone.
Yeah. It's a body cam.
Okay. So we'll also request that, Kevin, because, I need to see what you said. And if you said anything that accused me of a crime, I'm going to have to properly complain to people. Like I told you, he should have never called you guys peacefully. We choose to be nice. The First Amendment could be used for profanity. Yeah. And we have no one here has said a bad word. Why? Because we're nice people.
Well, you can cuss all you want.
But well, and thank you for that. And I'm an expert doing that as well. But I'll tell you, we choose not to. Why? I am a dad. I am doing a job. I have family that see my videos. I have thousands of people that see that millions of people have tuned in. So I will never come over here and record myself committing a crime, first of all, or interfering with federal business. So for poster 7, right there at the bottom, it says no rules in this poster can go against any state or federal laws, such as the First Amendment.
Limited government or more of a stronghold government?
Whatever the people want.
What do you want? Do you want?
I want freedom. I want people. Right now we focus on on that guy. Remember, there's a guy that came here. We talked to about for like 15 minutes while you guys left about religion. So I believe in freedom of religion. And I believe in freedom of speech and freedom of the press. Most people don't know it. Most people don't respect that. So that's why we do these videos. If Kevin understood fully about our rights and fully what I was doing and everything, he would have never called you. So that's why we go around doing these videos. Not only we have the Bill of Rights that protects us, the post office has the customers, quote unquote, customers bill of rights. If you look those up, they have those within their paperwork, their employee paperwork. We have so many rights in this place that you have no clue.
No,
There's
a lot.
so
I get it. I get it. But overall, like, I get what you guys are doing, and they say it's fine and all that stuff. And like, if you wanted to walk through and do a loop and say hi to people and do your podcast here, down here, and come through here and just keep walking, that's fine. It comes down to, that's why I asked about limited government. Is now, if you're asking them to set up a private area for somebody, where is that cost going to come from?
Yeah.
You keep doing this stuff where people keep coming out and pushing and pushing and pushing. And now
I mean, now with the new
we're-
administration, the money is being
you're
properly
creating
used.
a problem that didn't exist until you want to go up and film somebody. If you just walk down this aisle right here and walk by and film is fine. You standing right here and hovering is causing the problem.
What about when you guys pull over on the side of the road and you're with your speedometer,
What about it?
trying to see who's breaking the speed limit?
Yeah.
Who's looking for trouble?
Who's looking for trouble?
Are you looking for trouble? Because you guys are not supposed to stand.
No, I'm trying to enforce traffic so people don't kill or injure anyone because.
So I'm trying to enforce the First Amendment. It's the very same thing. And the only way I can document these interactions is with my phone.
Yeah, that's fine. What I'm saying is if you walk through and do, or if you stand right here in the center and do it, that's fine. What I'm saying is you're causing a problem when you go right up next to the booth and you're filming. You're the one causing the problem.
Well, that's a problem in their head. Because it's not a legal problem for me to be right there. I'm just sorry about. I understand their feelings are you know, if I'm with
identity theft done to you?
No.
No. You have a mother?
He's just trying to create something.
Do you have a mother?
We all do, right? I didn't.
What kind of question?
No, I came out of a mango.
Pineapple.
Is your mother alive?
She's not.
Okay, sorry about that.
You're good.
But if your mother was up there and you have somebody filming and now possibly their personal information comes out and now identity theft
I fully get it. I fully get it. But the law's the law. You know, there's a lot of laws that people don't like.
And I hit
So
whoever.
you know what I'm saying? Like if I come in here with weed on me, I'm breaking the law. But if I'm with weed on the sidewalk, it's perfectly fine.
Identity is stolen.
It's perfectly fine.
Happy to take him to
No,
jail.
no, but let me give him this example. If I have weed on me right here, right now, I'm committing a federal offense. But if I have weed on the sidewalk, it's all good. So you see how the law is selectively applied here? It's not. You just don't.
Ignorance of the law is not an excuse.
It's not. It's just not. Is that like something that you find reasonable?
It's two different things. Federally, it's not acceptable, and state it is. So
Exactly.
it's two different laws.
So the Constitution. Why do we have so much problem? How come they want to focus on certain things and not on others? Like, obviously, it's common sense that no one can come to the post office with drugs. Why? They're gonna think you're mailing drugs.
Proximity is the fact that people should have a reasonable privacy to their information, and they don't feel like they have that when you're recording that close. Does that make sense?
That makes
You have
sense.
your First Amendment right, albeit, and I understand that, but you have to think about a reasonable person in the same situation. How would they feel? A camera, yes, you're not recording any of their personal information, but do they know that? Can they see where that camera lens
Well,
is pointed?
that's the thing.
So that's what we're trying to explain. Okay, it's just more of like a, let's be respectful to other people while also your
Absolutely,
rights are also.
I'm all for that. But
understand?
I'm all for that. But I'm also all for whoever wants to criticize. This is a First Amendment channel that we focus on freedom of speech. So even though, like I told you, I choose to go the way that you're saying, respect, love, unity. That's all me. I love that. A lot of people think I'm looking for trouble. So lately, I've been trying to do a better job being nice.
So can we find a middle ground to make people feel comfortable in here?
Well, the thing is sometimes, even though what I'm doing may not be the best thing for them to feel comfortable, at the end of the day, they know they learn a lesson. He's not gonna call the cops on anything.
I'm talking. So
Well, it starts with him here because
See, he's calling because customers are now uncomfortable. You're disrupting the flow, right?
Well, that's-
so now that they're uncomfortable, they bring it up to employees who have to.
But
call
that,
us.
but I'm not
Okay,
disrupt.
he's not
But I
calling
never.
specifically
But the
on
thing
his
is,
own.
I never disrupted anything. Just because I'm filming
Okay.
doesn't create a disruption.
Well,
If
I
they
think
cre-
we're at a standpoint.
they are responsible for the disruption. If they are, just because of my legal action bothers somebody, doesn't mean I created anything. They've created it. I never.
How did they create it? They're standing there doing their business.
So am I.
Protect their customers. And
So I'm but I have
Exactly, protect. We're not hurting any customers. I like how you use that.
Protect their personal identifying information, which customers don't feel they have a reasonable privacy to it when you guys are.
So what's the difference if I'm here?
Have a great day.
Correct.
It's getting nowhere. You guys are going in circles.
You think you had the right to detain me?
I never detained you.
But do you think you had the right to?
I told you you're not detained.
Oh, okay.
I said you could come here detaining.
No, I said I'm in a non-detentative way. I did not detain you.
Oh, okay.
I'm in here in a consensual context.
This is a consensual conversation. Absolutely.
Because I told you 3, maybe 4 times. You can walk away. You don't have to talk to me no more. Hey,
Absolutely.
do you mind coming to talk to me?
Yeah, and I have no problem. I have no problem. I'm here to educate people.
I got you.
So like he said, oh, you're
And
looking
I'm trying
for.
to give a different perspective. If I was in line and I'm doing my passport, I don't want someone hovering over me. I don't know you.
I
don't know your channel.
I understand
don't know
that,
anyone.
but they need to understand that it's their responsibility to protect their own
So if the customer
information.
turned to you and said, "Can you step away?" Would you step away?
I'll tell them I'm not here to film you, sir.
Okay.
Continue
Your camera's pointed at me. Let's do a scenario. I'm at the counter doing my passport, and you're standing here filming me. I say, "Can you step away? I'm doing something right now." And you're telling me,
how about you watch our videos and then you'll see.
no, I'm asking, what would you tell me if I said, "Can you please step away? I have some private information. I'm doing my passport here. Please leave."
I said I'm not going to get any of your information, sir. I'm not here to film you. I'm here to film them. Please don't tell me what to do.
But you have your camera pointed at me. I don't know what you're filming. I don't know what you're zooming in on. I don't feel comfortable. Would you mind stepping back for me?
I'd rather not.
Okay. So
Respectfully.
Okay.
No, please leave me alone, Karen, and just do your work.
Okay.
And then you would turn around, do your work, and get out of here, and then that's it.
Okay. So there's Karens that want to protect you.
It depends how they conduct themselves.
This audit is a total victory over ego and ignorance. The auditor successfully proved that neither a supervisor nor police can legally stop a camera in a public federal lobby. The final outcome is documented proof that public servants prioritize subjective feelings over constitutional law.